Look at this small space before and now after. It's a total transformation, right? If your home looks like this, plain walls and no furniture pieces, you probably feel unsure where to start. For this small home, our client wants a modern Scandinavian with a touch of contemporary accent, something bright, calm, and maximize every corner. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. Now, let's look at each space in detail and see how the right furniture and materials made the biggest difference. Here's a small living area that's empty and hard to define. You're probably wondering where to sit, relax, or even place your TV, right? But with the right furniture plan, you can maximize it. The light wood flooring and light beige paint from ceiling to wall already give you a good start. They brighten up the whole room and make it feel wider. To add some depth, try a slatted wood wall panel. The vertical lines make your ceiling look taller and bring warmth and texture to your space. Now, start layering your seating. A modular sofa in black fabric helps define your main zone and balances all the warm wood tones for around $450 to $550. The dark color adds contrast, making your light walls and floor pop even more. For flexibility, add a C-shaped table. You can slide it over your seat for coffee or snacks, then tuck it away when not in use. Next to your sofa, place a small round stone-textured side table. It's great for a small plant, and the soft beige tone adds richness beside the matte fabric of your sofa. To bring in cozy lighting, try a modern gold ring floor lamp. It gives a warm glow that highlights your wood wall, both functional and decorative, giving your space that cozy, high-end feel. Hang a neutral-toned abstract wall art right above your sofa. It adds visual balance and gives your space a calm, finished look. Then mount a slim art light above it to make the artwork stand out beautifully. For your main light, go with a minimal round ceiling light to brighten the room evenly. Across your seating area, you can build an entertainment wall. A wood media console with open cubbies keeps your floor open and clutter-free while giving you plenty of storage. Match it with upper-closed cabinets and a floating shelf in the same wood tone. This repetition connects your wall visually and makes the whole setup feel built-in and intentional. Here we use a projector screen instead of a TV. It rolls up when not in use, keeping your wall open and minimal, perfect for small homes. Finish it off with soft beige curtains. They diffuse the light beautifully and add softness to balance all the clean lines around the room. When everything comes together, your living area feels calm, connected, and perfectly styled for small homes for around $2,200 to $2,500 total. You can maximize your dining area and create a seamless, cozy dining corner using just a few furniture pieces. You might consider adding a black grid mirror wall. It adds both function and illusion. It visually doubles the size of your dining area, making it feel larger and brighter. For the dining set, add a solid oak dining table costing $230 to $260. The smooth matte finish adds warmth and gives that cozy Scandinavian charm. Pair it with curved wood dining chairs with soft fabric seats. The pale wood tone blends seamlessly with your table, while the fabric cushions add comfort, keeping everything cohesive. There's still space left on both sides, so you can include a small coffee or bar station. The counter surface in quartz tiles reflects light, adding brightness, while the wood-based cabinet with open storage provides space for your appliances or small items. This keeps your bar station clean and organized while maintaining a minimal aesthetic. Above this, a set of open and closed upper storage shelves adds both balance and practicality. The open shelves with underlighting let you display small plants, jars, or mugs, making the area feel personal and homey, while the closed cabinets hide extra items to keep your corner looking clean. So now you'll have a bar counter that you can use in many ways, perfect for coffee, drinks, or extra prep space. Since this dining area is placed near the entryway, you can add extra storage. A tall, slim cabinet is a smart way to manage daily clutter. It's white and lightweight, white wood combination connects beautifully with your dining furniture. Beside it, a floating white drawer unit serves as extra storage for small essentials while keeping the entry area clean and elegant. Every piece serves a purpose, yet everything flows together naturally within a budget of $2,900 to $3,200. This bedroom might have enough floor space, but without proper layout and storage, it feels cold and incomplete. The best way to fix that is by giving your room clear zones, one for rest, one for work, while keeping everything light, calm, and easy on the eyes. The changes start with a vertical slatted wall panel with LED strip lighting. It instantly adds depth and texture, breaking the monotony of flat paint. Then comes an upholstered bed with a matte black frame. The dark tone contrasts beautifully with your soft neutral walls and makes your layered bedding stand out. An abstract wall art above the headboard ties your bed layering together, uniting the tones. To balance the darker tones of your bed, add a light wood nightstand. It provides balance to the heavy color of your bed while keeping your small decors and essentials within reach. You can put circular sconces for soft lighting. They create that cozy, layered glow that makes the space feel alive at night. For storage, a white wardrobe with a mirrored center panel balances the palette. It keeps the room feeling open and bright while giving you space to organize your clothes neatly. Opposite your wardrobe, a black metal-framed full-height mirror wall visually doubles your space, perfect for making small rooms feel bigger. On the floor, roll out a soft gray exercise mat. It blends smoothly with your bedding and gives you a functional spot for quick stretches or workouts. Now your corner becomes a calm mini exercise zone, ready anytime you need it. Now, these soft beige layered curtains filter sunlight and diffuse glare during the day. This bedroom still has enough space to add a working or study corner. So a laminated wood L-shaped desk creates a smart workspace. Pair it with an ergonomic black chair that repeats the dark tone and adds a modern accent, blending seamlessly with your setup. The overhead cabinet in oak and white enhances storage while maintaining harmony with the rest of the design. Right beside the work area, your open black metal shelving unit introduces both function and style. It's perfect for keeping your essentials within reach. Now, your bedroom becomes warm, functional, and perfectly connected to how you live, all while staying within a $3,000 to $3,500. Every area now has meaning and function. You didn't just fill a room, you created a home that reflects how you live. It's not about having the biggest space, but about making every corner work beautifully for you. And this space has an estimated minimum cost of $8,100. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.